First things first.
We need something.
Grocery shopping. Then we're gonna pack. I notice when I say something to the camera or something that I think is funny or clever or something, I always look at you afterwards. I think it's like if it's like an approval thing. Like, do you chuckle at it? And if you chuckle at it, I'm like, okay, that was good.
Huh?
You know?
Yeah. What did you say that was funny?
And then we're gonna pack. I think that's what I said.
And then you looked at me for approval?
Yeah.
I didn't even hear it. So.
Here's what I think. We should at least, we don't have to clean because our house is a mess. At least maybe set an area where we could pile stuff that won't be a mess.
What's the pile?
Going with us, not going with us, we're donating now, and things that I would like to donate to family first. So if there's room for it, pile, we'll take it. So, I don't know about you, Dal, but over the past few weeks, I've been paying attention to what I should or shouldn't keep.
Didn't keep or what?
I separated stuff that I knew I wasn't going to keep in order to make this process easier. I don't know why I'm sharing that. We have our Goodwill pile, take with us pile, and we have only one item so far in the hopefully have room to take home for a pile. The problem is, I'm talking to the vlog. The problem is we don't have a vacuum that'll suck this up. If I push on it, it'll be fine, right? Like it'll come out.
Do you have to do something?
Oh, it might need suction. Oh no, it's coming out.
out.
It's just gonna take a really long time.
Well, what you can. Another thing you could do is
Oh yeah, that'll
get some of the air out first.
All right, Dally's having a field day.
Oh.
Is that what it's called?
I don't know. I'm getting rid of stuff.
And you're enjoying it. Are you not?
I can't believe we ever had this much stuff to begin with. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Very much so. I'm also about to have some Annie's vegan mac and cheese.
Oh, it's just noodles and water right now.
Yeah, it's just noodles right now.
Goodwill. Keep. That's about it.
Oh, hi. Oh, is this for me?
Yeah.
Oh. Thanks.
Alright, so we've been sitting here not really doing much for the last hour. But now we've decided to make...
Like, we don't know what year we're going to get.
Now we're going to make some detailed mock-ups of our future home. We're learning.
From there, you need a way to charge your batteries.
I'm like, I don't want to like just get rid of them.
Right.
I'd rather take those and like.
So we just spent the last few hours creating some really good mock-ups of what the van is going to be like.
Really good, yeah. I mean, we spent a lot of time getting a lot of detail down, and that's just one aspect of it.
Yeah, detail as in how high the countertops are going to be, or how like inches, and how deep the sink, and you know, some of those things might be adjusted later on when we realize what kind of sink we actually have access to, or I don't know, just some other things. But it's nice to get an understanding of what kind of space we're gonna be in and kind of what we should expect. Also, funny story, when we were packing, I found these glasses that have been missing since October 1st. And I know that because
we're matching again, finally.
Oh yeah.
There's a vlog from way like months ago that we were like, we picked up these glasses at the gas station.
Do we look cool? We went to a gas station next door and we bought matching pairs of sunglasses. Do we look cool? And then on October 1st, we went to a Dodger game, and there's video footage of me walking in the door with the glasses on my shirt. We might have had a few drinks.
Might have been alcohol involved.
So the Dodgers won, the Rockies lost, the Broncos won. So I have never seen the glasses since until today.
You found them in your shoes.
I could not find them. And I have this shoe rack thing, and I pull out these pairs of shoes, and there's my glasses. So I don't know what happened that time, but I found them, so it's cool. So now we're going to a park to get some sun.
That's called the Lakeside Amusement Park.
I am kind of bummed that we aren't staying here long enough to see this actually open and people actually go there. Why, you ask? Because it looks like the creepiest, sketchiest amusement park ever.
That's like worse than the county fair. I mean,
you can't really tell in the video.
It's scary. It's like,
I don't think we're people to say things are like sketchy. Like, I feel like we're pretty like, it's fine, whatever.
Yeah, like they take good care of it. It's an amusement park, but it's like.
But that one, it's like would be in a Halloween movie.
Like a creepy clown that tells you not to walk into the woods behind the old.
Or like all the carnies. Is that what it is? Carney? Is that what it is? Carney?
Carney, and I think that's a little derogatory. I should say.
Is it really? Oh, wait, no, that's their name, right?
Well, Carney, yeah, it's kind of bad.
Oh, it makes me think of the people running the place are actually like murderers, and they like, yeah, you go into the ride but you don't come out, kind of thing. That's what makes me. The park is packed today because it is sunny and 70. I think I got caught.
Yeah, I think so too. You looked over like, what's the girl doing? Courtney, I look like a mad scientist.
No.
Why didn't you say anything?
I did say stuff.
Nothing I can do about it.